Today is all about general mixing, the art of combining multiple ingredients to form a uniform, high-quality batch. Whether you are blending dairy products, sauces, cosmetics or nutritional supplements, general mixing is a fundamental process that underpins the consistency of your final product. General mixing isn't just about throwing everything together, it's about precision and control. In high-shear mixing, the intense mechanical forces generated by your mixer not only blends the ingredients but also ensures that every component is evenly distributed throughout the batch. The result is a homogeneous mixture free from lumps or inconsistencies that delivers both superior performance and consistent sensory experience. Let's consider what happens inside the mixer. Your high-shear mixer equipment forces ingredients through a narrow gap between the fast-spinning rotor and the stationary stator. This process creates a powerful shear zone where even the most stubborn ingredients are broken down and integrated. The high energies ensure that delicate flavors, textures and nutritional values are preserved while achieving a uniform blend. Balancing the shear forces is essential. For example, delicate ingredients such as certain vitamins or heat-sensitive components require a gentle touch, while high viscous materials may need robust shear to break them down efficiently. With a high-shear mixer, you have the flexibility to adjust parameters such as rotor speed and mixing time, allowing you to tailor the process to the specific needs of each formulation. In practical terms, general mixing is used across a range of industries. In food and beverage production, it might involve blending soups, sauces, or even combining dairy ingredients to create a creamy texture. In cosmetics, uniform mixing is critical to ensure that the creams and lotions have a smooth, consistent feel and appearance. Best practices are vital for achieving optimal results. Always start with a precise measurement of each ingredient. Pre-measuring ensures that your formulation is consistent every time. During the mixing process, monitor the speed and duration carefully. Too much mixing can lead to over-processing, which might incorporate excess air or even damage sensitive ingredients, while too little mixing can leave your batch uneven. Temperature also plays a significant role. The viscosity of the liquid and the solubility of powders can vary with temperature, so maintaining the correct thermal condition during the mixing is essential. This not only aids in achieving the smoother blends, but also helps preserving the integrity of heat-sensitive ingredients. Regular maintenance of your mixer is just as important as the mixing process itself. Ensuring that your equipment is clean and well calibrated will help maintain consistent performance. Over time, wear on the rotor, stator or even the drive unit can affect the mixing efficiency. So routine checks and adjustments are crucial to avoid unexpected downtime. In summary, general mixing using high-shear technology enables you to combine multiple ingredients into a uniform batch with precision and control. By balancing shear forces, monitoring mixing parameters and maintaining the correct temperature, you can ensure consistent product quality across every production run. This attention to detail not only optimizes texture and flavor, but also enhances overall consumer satisfaction. If you have any further questions or need additional guidance on optimizing your mixing process, please feel free to reach out. Until next time, keep your batches uniformly mixed and your processing finely tuned.